Welcome YouTube. Some people have been asking some questions about how water efficient these MP Rotator sprinklers are. I didn't actually buy them for that, I bought them more for the coverage. But it's quite obvious already that looking at the overspray that these really will be much more efficient than other systems. So what I've done is I've actually set up my camera on a flow meter, and we'll just run each of them for 10 minutes back to back and then compare them, and I'll do a split screen or something to show you the result. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. So these are the second type of sprinklers in testing. This is what I used to use. With the trees and stuff, it used to give a bit of a patchy result, but we'll see how these go for 10 minutes. You can see quite a bit more overspray on these ones. So we've just had the MP Rotator sprinklers running for about 10 minutes. I think it's just coming up to 10 minutes. It's just clicked over to 10 minutes. And as you can see, it's about 44 litres for the 4 sprinklers over the 10 minutes. You can see the overspray. Again, not much overspray from this. These sprinklers are great. And plenty of water spread out, so it's pretty good. And for the more traditional spinning type ones, we've been running those for about 10 minutes now too, and we can see it's 121 litres, so nearly 3 times the water, or is that 3 times the water? I don't know. So that's quite a big difference. You can see the overspray as well, just heaps of overspray with these ones. You just can't get them in the right spot. So I think that's the main difference. So the third sprinkler that I've got is one of these ones. And I'm just doing the litres per minute on that, and that's up around 7.5, almost 8 litres per minute. So while all the flow rates and everything are all good and well and good, what really impresses me is the coverage. Like, the water is just literally on the full arc and from right close to the sprinkler. It's damp all the way through to its full range, so this whole area gets very even water flow now. So that's fantastic. That's probably the main benefit. If you care about water usage, yeah, you'd also care. These sprinklers are also great, but the coverage of the spray is just fantastic.